Chapter 1 Measurement. Learning objectives. First, measurement. Second, mass and weight. Third, difference between mass and weight. Fourth, measurement of mass. Fifth, spring balance. Sixth, beam balance. Seventh, density and relative density. Eighth, measurement of density of solids and liquids. 9. Variation in the density of liquids and gases with temperature. Measurement. We all know the importance of measurement in our life. In our daily life, we make measurements all the time. A vegetable seller measures the mass of vegetables. A carpenter measures the length of the bench or height of the chair he is going to make. The milkman measures the volume of milk he is going to deliver to you. You measure your temperature when you have fever. Time is measured in railway stations and airports so that trains and flights leave on time. You may recall you studied in class 6th that measurement is comparing an unknown quantity with some fixed quantity of standard magnitude. Length is measured in meter, m, weight is measured in kilograms, kg, and time is measured in seconds, s. All these are called physical quantities. You shall learn about mass, weight and density in this chapter. Through mass and weight appear to be summed to a common man in physics. Both these terms have different meanings. Mass. You may have noticed in everyday activity that a glass full of water is lighter than a jug full of water. Why? Because the jug has more quantity of water than the glass. Similarly, a spoonful of sugar is lighter than the container full of sugar. Here also, the container has more quantity of sugar than spoon. We can see that mass of water in a jug is more than in glass, and mass of sugar in container is more than that in the spoon. We can thus define mass is the measure of quantity of matter contained in a body. The mass of a body is a constant quantity and does not change with position of body. The SI unit of mass is kilogram, kg. 1 kilogram is defined as the mass of 1 liter of water at 4 degrees Celsius. The submultiples and multiples of kilograms are as under: 1 kilogram, kg, 1000 grams, g. 1 gram, g equals to 1000 milligram, mg. 1 quintal, q equals to 100 kilograms, kg. 1 ton, T equals to 10 quintals, Q. Measurement of mass. The mass of a body is measured by comparison it with a standard mass. The mass of a body is measured by comparing it with a standard mass. The comparison is made with the help of a beam balance or a physical balance. The body whose mass is to be measured is kept on one pan of the beam balance or physical balance, and standard weights are placed in the other pan. The physical balance is used mainly in scientific work. A simple beam balance consists of a straight beam of a metal supported by a loop-type arrangement at its center. A pointer is fixed at the center of the beam, which is free to move in the loop. Two exactly similar pans are suspended from the ends of the beam at equal distances from the center of beam. The pans have the same weight and are suspended by strings of equal length. When no object is placed in the beam should be in horizontal position. The pointer should be in vertical position. Example, not slanting on either side. A physical balance is used in scientific work or measuring the mass of very small quantity of matter, where a higher degree of accuracy is desired. For example, in finding the mass of a diamond or a tiny piece of gold. Weight. The weight of a body is the force with which the earth attracts it towards its center. Measurement of weight. The weight of a body is measured with the help of a device called balance. A spring balance consists of a spring which is encased in a metallic case. A hook is attached to the lower end of the spring to suspend the body whose weight is to be measured, and the upper end of the spring is fixed to the metallic case. A pointer is attached to the spring which moves up and down with the spring through a slit in the metallic case. A calibrated scale is provided at the metallic case containing markings of 0 GF, 100 GF, 200 GF, 1 kgf, and so on. The markings between two readings are further divided into 10 divisions, and one small division corresponds to 10 grams. When there is no weight in the hook, the pointer reads 0 GF. When a weight is suspended, we can directly note the readings. We can directly note the reading on the calibrated scale. Such a spring balance is used to measure weight upon 1 kg. However, bigger spring balances can be used to measure greater weights. Mass and weight. There is a close relationship between mass and weight. Mass is the quantity of matter contained in a body. Mass of the body is constant. Weight of the body is the force with which Earth attracts it towards its center. The weight of a body is not constant and can change from one place to another place. The main difference between mass and weight is given in table 1.1. Difference between mass and weight. Mass. Weight. Mass is the quantity of matter contained in a body. Weight of a body is the force with which the earth attracts it towards its center. The mass of the body is constant and does not change with the position of the body. The weight of a body varies from place to place, depending on the value of acceleration due to gravity. The mass of a body is measured by using a beam balance. The weight of a body is measured by using a spring balance. The SI unit of mass is kilogram, kg. The SI unit of weight is Newton. The mass of a body can never be zero. The weight of a body can be zero when no force of gravity attracts on it, as in space. Density. Before studying density, let us recall the definition of volume. Volume is the space occupied by a body. Now, for our experience, we know that substances with almost same volume have different masses, or substances with some masses have different volumes. This would be further clear from the following activities. Similarly, if you take equal volume of water and petrol in two beakers and measure their mass, you will find that mass of water is more than that of petrol. From the above activities, you will note that though the volume of water and petrol is same, the mass of water is more than that of petrol. This is due to the fact that molecules of water in one unit volume are more densely packed than molecules of petrol in 1 unit volume, since mass is the quantity of matter contained in a body. Similarly, the iron particles are more densely packed than wood particles or glass particles per unit volume. It is for this reason the iron of same volume is heavier than wood of same volume. In other words, density of iron is more than density of wood, or 1 meter per cube of iron has more mass than 1 meter per cube of wood. Thus, the density of a substance in the mass or substance per unit volume. In mathematical terms, we can say density equals to mass upon volume, or D equals to m upon V. The symbol of density in Greek pattern P, rho. Unit of density. We know that in SI units, mass is measured in kilogram kg and volume is measured in meters m cube. So according to the formula, D equals to m upon V, the units of density are kilogram per meter cube or kilogram meter minus 3 per minus 3. If mass is measured in grams and volume in centimeters, then unit of density is gram per centimeter cube or gram centimeter minus 3. From this, we can also say that substances with more density are heavier and those with low density are lighter. Density of a substance is one of its properties. The following table gives density of some common substances. Substance density kilogram per meter cube. Water 1000, air 1.20, aluminium 2700, copper 8900, gold 19,300, iron 7,800, lead 11,300, mercury 13,600, silver 10,500, ice 920, platinum 21,400, wood oak 700 to 900. From the above table, you can observe that air is the lightest of all the mentioned substance and platinum is the heaviest. Another interesting figure is that of ice, which is lighter than water. Let us now solve some numerical problems on density. Example 1. A block of metal has a mass of 53,400 kg and a volume of 6 meter per cube. Find the density of the metal. Solution. We know that density, mass upon volume, 53,400 kg per 6 meter cube, 8,900 kg per 6 meter cube. Example 2. Calculate the volume of 3,800 gram of gold, which has density of 19.3 gm per centimeter cube. Solution. We know that density equals to mass upon volume or volume equals to mass upon density. Putting the given numbers, we get volume equals to 3,860 gram per 19.3 gram centimeter cube equals to 200 centimeter cube. Example 3. Calculate the mass of air in an empty room with dimensions 4 meter multiply 3 meter multiply 2.5 meter. The density of air is 1.3 kg per meter cube. Solution. We know that density equals to mass upon volume or mass equals to volume density. Now volume of room equals to 4m multiplied 3m multiplied 2.5m equals to 30 meter per cube. Mass equals to 30 meter per cube multiply 1.3 kg per meter cube equals to 39 kg. Determination of density of an irregular solid. We have learned the method of finding the density of regular solids like cubes, cuboids, spheres, etc. as their volume can be determined easily. However, it is difficult to find the volume of an irregular shaped solid, say a stone. In such a case, we find the mass of the stone using a beam balance and find its volume by dipping it in water in a measuring cylinder. Now we apply the formula density equals to mass upon volume. Relative density. When we compare the density of a substance with that of water, we get a number. This is called the relative density of the substance. Relative density equals to density of the substance upon density of water. Relative density is a ratio example. It is just a number, hence has no units. For example, for the table 1.2, we see that density of iron is 7,800 kg per meter cube and that of water is 1,000 kg per meter cube. So relative density of iron is 7,800 kg meter per minus 3 cube upon 1000 kg meter minus 3 per cube equals to 7.8. Similarly, we can see that relative density of mercury is 13.6 and that of gold is 19.3. Thus, we can define relative density of a substance as the ratio of density of that substance divided by density of water. Relative density equals to density of substance upon density of water equals to mass of the substance upon volume upon mass of water upon volume equals to mass of any volume the substance upon mass of same volume of substance. To find the relative density of a liquid using a relative density bottle. A relative density bottle is a small bottle made of glass with a glass stopper. The glass stopper has a fine capillary tube. When the bottle is filled with any liquid and stopper fixed on it, the excess liquid drains out through the capillary of the stopper. This ensures that the bottle always contains the same volume of any liquid with which it is filled. Relative density of liquid. Mass of any volume of liquid upon mass of same volume of water. M3 minus M1 gram upon M2 minus M1 gram equals to M3 minus M1 upon M2 minus M1. Variation in density of liquids and gases with temperature. We know that density of a substance is mass per unit volume. We have also studied earlier that mass of a body remains constant. Hence, if volume of body decreases, its density increases, and if volume of a body increases, its density decreases. We know that solids, liquids and gases expands on heating. Example, their volume increases and contracts on cooling. Example, their volume decreases. The increase and decrease in case of solids is very small and can be neglected. However, the increase or decrease in case of liquids and gases is significant. When a liquid or gas is heated, its volume increases, and as discussed in previous paragraph, its density decreases. This means it becomes comparatively lighter. Similarly, on cooling, the volume of liquid or gases will decreases and their density increases. This means they became comparatively heavier. Area of an irregular shape. The area of an irregular shape can be measured by placing it over a graph paper. Did you know the hydrometer used to test the purity of milk is called lactometer? Summary. Mass of a body is defined as the quantity of matter contained in it. The SI unit of mass is kilogram, kg. Mass of a body can never be zero. Mass of a body always remains constant. Weight of a body is the force with which a body is pulled towards center of earth. The SI unit of weight is Newton. The weight of a substance can change from one place to another place. A spring balance is used to measure weight. A beam balance is used to measure mass. The density of a substance is its mass per unit volume. The SI unit of density is kg per centimeter cube. The relative density of a substance is the ratio of density of substance of the density of water. Density of liquids and gases change with change in temperature. The variation in density of liquids and gases results into convection currents.